पीजीआई सब डीन, डीन रिसर्च, एफए साहब, मैं पीजीआई के बिहाफ पे आप सबका जहाँ पे स्वागत करता हूँ और धन्यवाद भी करता हूँ कि इस कोरोना की महामारी में आप सब जहाँ पे, और मीडिया ने बहुत ही जो एज ए वॉरियर काम कर रहे हैं वो भी, तो मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ। आप हमारे पास आए। आज का दिन इसलिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है कि हमने एक ट्रॉली जो ऑटोमेटिक है उसको हमने बनाया है, जिसका हम कोरोना का जो हॉस्पिटल है, कोविड हॉस्पिटल, उसमें उसका यूज़ करेंगे। ये आइडिया हमें ऐसा है, जब हम पेशेंट्स को एडमिट करना शुरू किए थे तो थोड़ी मुश्किलें आ रही थी सामान वगैरह डिलीवर करने की। तो जो मेरी टीम थी, डॉक्टर प्रणय और डॉक्टर शैलेश, जो हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में सीनियर रेजिडेंट हैं, मैंने उनसे बात की कि कोई ऐसी सोल्यूशन दे सकते हो, लोकल सोल्यूशन जो अफोर्डेबल हो और हमारी लोकल प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे। तो उन्होंने उसके ऊपर काम करना शुरू करा। बहुत मुश्किल था, लॉकडाउन था, कर्फ्यू था, मगर इन्होंने भी बैठ के ये सारा चॉकआउट किया और काम करते रहे, अपनी ड्यूटीज़ भी निभाते रहे, और उसके बाद ये जो दूध है ये बन के तैयार हुआ है। तो मैं आप सबका फिर स्वागत करता हूं, और इसके बारे में मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं प्रणय महाजन को कि जो टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल थी, अवेलेबल थी, वो उसके बारे में आपको बताएंगे। और अब मैं डायरेक्टर सर जगताम सर को कहता हूं कि वो आपको संबोधन करें। धन्यवाद।
With us are Dean Academic Professor G.D. Puri, Dean Research Professor Gurpreet Singh, DDA Mr. Kumar Gaurav Dhawan. We have Financial Advisor Mr. Kumar Abhay. We have Professor Kaushal, Vipin Kaushal, who is right side to me, and Professor Ashok. First of all, and we have also with us the inventor, that is Dr. Pranay Mahajan and Dr. Shailesh. First of all, I am thankful to all of you, all the media people, because during this period of almost close to 2.5 months to 3 months, it was your so much cooperation, and you made it possible that you have helped us during this period. And at this point of time, I congratulate these two doctors, that is Dr. Pranay Mahajan and Dr. Shailesh, and who thought about it. Although there were several requests from the other people, but while our people are competent and they can do something, and they made it possible that they could develop a low-cost automatic robotic trolley. This idea came while this corona was started, that we had a patient on the 3rd floor, and they developed the idea that we should make a trolley which go from room to room and deliver medicine, and also in addition to medicine, other fluid and even food product. So they developed this idea, and they came out with a very cost-effective trolley. This is a robotic type of trolley, and the name given is Doot. Doot means delivery, observance, and orchestrated telecommunicator. So I think on behalf of administration of PGI MER Chandigarh, I congratulate the team from the COVID-19 hospital of PGI MER Chandigarh, and also congratulate Dr. Pranay Mahajan and Dr. Shailesh. And I am sure that it is tested also, but at the same time, we hope that whatever development or the upgradation can take place, sky is the limit for anything, and this innovation will help us also and rest of the country also. Congratulations to our team. Thank you very much.
Professor Vipin Kaushal, who is in charge of Nehru Hospital Extension Block of PGI, which has been earmarked as the hospital for treatment of COVID-positive patients by Chandigarh administration, shared his concern and asked us to develop a device which can minimize the healthcare workers' contact with infected patients and contaminated surroundings. First thing that came to our mind was getting a service robot, but due to countrywide strict lockdown, we were not able to procure it. Moreover, these robots are very expensive and have limited capabilities. Professor Kaushal encouraged us with the ethos of Make in India and expressed his trust in both of us that we would definitely come out with a local innovation. We decided to devise a low-cost solution and started working on it. Initially, while designing, we considered that a motorized trolley should reach the bed of patients and should deliver food and other material, reducing the risk involved in contact between healthcare workers and patients. We discussed the various possible models, especially keeping in mind the constraints of getting required material in the lockdown period. We also realized that apart from just designing a low-cost and remotely operable trolley, we would also empower the device with other essential features like remote communication with surrounding people and remote inspection of the areas as to minimize the manpower being utilized for these tasks. The app-based cloud camera that has been attached to the robotic trolley empowers us with the additional features like motion sensing, night vision, thermal sensing, and it is embedded with an online signaling system which would prove to be advantageous in remote observation of contaminated areas. It has the capability of 360-degree high-definition view of the surroundings with cloud storage of videos captured. The battery backup is customizable and it can be up to 4 days. Another value-added feature provided by the tab mounted on this product, which besides enabling telecommunication with the patients, also assists in delivering notification and extra features like welcome messages, music, and IEC material. The same can also be used for collecting orders from different sites without the need of individual devices at different sites. Thus, our first version of robotic trolley, which we call Doot, came to existence. Doot is our tribute to our Honorable Prime Minister concept of Make in India. It's an acronym for Delivery, Observance and an Orchestrated Telecommunicator. It's special because it was developed during the lockdown period when nothing was available in the market. Still, we could manage to develop this device with a nominal budget of 25,000 only. We are really thankful to Chandigarh Police and SSP Shrimati Nilamri Madam, who were always there to help us procuring the required material. We are also thankful to the engineering department of PGI MEA for providing assistance whenever required. We are grateful to our director PGI and PGI administration, who have always been showing us the right path. Doot is not just for COVID, but its utility is beyond that. We all know that after witnessing the latest COVID pandemic, the scenario would considerably change in the world, and emphasis would be on physical distancing and minimal human interactions at avoidable places. We have taken the first step, and the version 2 of Doot would be empowered with customizable designs as per utility, totally based on Internet of Things, obstruction sensors, autonomous navigation, and increased use of artificial intelligence and many more features. The work has already been started, and very soon you would be delivered a Medibot, the next gen of Doot. Medibot would be a part of hospital automation revolution, be it transferring patient, be it delivery of medicines and supplies, or biomedical waste collection. Anything that you imagine in the hospital setup, Medibot will do it, reducing the risk of our healthcare workers from many deadly infections and occupational hazards. Jai Hind.